is your heart, and then if you look internally, diba, we have the so-called outside, we have the so-called sulcus terminalis, and then inside we have the crista terminalis, and this is your pectinate muscles. And then this is your pulmonary trunk man, and then it has 3 cusps. It's 3 cusps kay you have your anterior cusp, your posterior cusp, and then your septal cusp because it's near the septum man. And these are your papillary muscles daw. And then for the other side, this is your aorta. This is the root of the aorta. This is the ascending aorta, and then katong arch na. This is your right atrium. On this side, there's a depression from your foramen ovale. It's already called as your fossa ovalis. And then your 292 is your valve orifice of the inferior vena cava, inferior vena cava. And then this 293 is your tricuspid valve. These are your chordae tendineae, and then ang mo attach sila sa imuhang papillary muscles. And then this is your right ventricle. This is your interventricular septum. Basta the septum, it's divided into 2 parts. You have your membranous part, and this is your muscular part. So after your right ventricle, it goes to your lungs, going back to your left atrium. So this is your left atrium with your 4 pulmonary veins. It passes through the mitral or your bicuspid valve, and then going to your right ventricle, same papillary muscles gihapon, and then this is your left ventricle. And then going to your aorta, it also has 3 cusps. It has your left, your right, and your posterior cusp. It says nga ang imuhang right daw nga cusp is the anterior one. So I think it's this one, your right, because it's also near to the right. And this is your left, and then posterior nga cusp. And then this is the root. Yeah, more about it. Mana!